Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we will go over the background removal tool. To start, go ahead and click on the background removal tool. You will notice an empty box in the center where you can drag and drop in your image or upload your image. In this exercise, we will go over the different models and how to apply them. Let's upload our very first image. Here, I have uploaded an image Presto sign. The goal is to remove the background as cleanly as possible and only keep the text and the sign holder. To do this, go to your settings and choose the fast model, then choose your output format, and click on the Remove Background button. With a fast model, we're able to achieve a clean clip cutout of the layer with no added images from the background. This model works best for images that have minimal backgrounds and have less distractions. Next, let's upload our very next image. Here, I've uploaded an image of a futuristic spaceship in outer space. The goal is to remove the space background and keep the spaceship intact. To do this, go to your settings and choose the accurate model, then choose your output format, and click on the Remove Background button. With the accurate model, we're able to remove even the most complex backgrounds while still preserving the outline of the layer. This model works best for images that include busy backgrounds or have numerous material. Next, let's upload our very next image. Here, I've uploaded an image of a dog. The goal is to remove the background and preserve the detail of the dog and its fur. To do this, go to your settings and choose the matting model, then choose your output format, and click on the Remove Background button. With the matting model, we're able to remove the background safely without disturbing the fine details of the image while adding a matte blur to the outline of the layer. This model works best for images that include fur or have a grass-like texture. Let's upload our next image. Here, I upload an image of a woman smiling. The goal is to remove the background and preserve the fine details of the woman and her hair strands. To do this, go to your settings and choose the portrait model, choose your output format, and click on the Remove Background button. With the portrait model, we're able to remove the background while preserving the strands of the woman's flowing hair. This model works best for images that include faces or have complicated hair strands. With the background removal tool, the limits are endless. As a note, when uploading any image, a distinction between the layers will allow you to achieve a much greater outcome.